To make delicious ramen, you'll need a combination of flavorful broth, fresh ingredients, and perfectly cooked noodles. Here's a basic recipe to get you started. Ingredients: 4 cups chicken or vegetable broth, 2 cups water, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1-inch piece of ginger, grated, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon miso paste, optional, 2 packs of ramen noodles, discard the seasoning packets. Sliced cooked meat of your choice, e.g., roasted pork, chicken, or beef. Sliced green onions, scallions. Soft boiled eggs, optional. Nori, seaweed, sheets, cut into strips, optional. Additional toppings of your choice, e.g., mushrooms, bean sprouts, corn, bamboo shoots. Instructions. 1. In a large pot, heat the sesame oil over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger, and sauté for about a minute until fragrant. 2. Pour in the chicken or vegetable broth and water. Stir in the soy sauce and miso paste, if using. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes to allow the flavors to develop. 3. While the broth is simmering, cook the ramen noodles according to the package instructions. Drain and set aside. 4. Prepare your desired toppings. Slice the cooked meat, chop the green onions, and prepare soft-boiled eggs if using. 5. Once the broth is ready, taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. If you prefer a stronger flavor, you can add more soy sauce or miso paste. 6. To serve, divide the cooked noodles among bowls. Ladle the hot broth over the noodles, making sure to include enough broth to cover them. 7. Arrange your desired toppings on top of the noodles and broth. Add sliced meat, green onions, soft-boiled eggs, nori strips, and any other toppings you like. 8. Serve the ramen hot and enjoy. Feel free to customize your ramen by experimenting with different toppings and seasonings. You can also add vegetables like bok choy or spinach to make it even more nutritious. Enjoy your homemade delicious ramen.